And I'm noticing, okay, cool. So right there, I got some nice built-ins, and they're kind of large. They're triangle shaped and they're large. So we're gonna turn around and have a feeling I know what's in here. This is where your washer and dryer would go. So you have this in there, and then there's a shelf in there too, a couple shelves. So that's where that would go. In here you've got your sink, and then you've got your tub in here as well. And it's really tall. I love how tall that is. It feels great. We're gonna walk in the closet and see in here. The closet is, there's a good amount of storage space in here. I like how many shelves are in here. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 shelves. I can walk in. I'm able to go, 1 or 2 steps in here. So it's not like it's, I can run in there or anything, but I can walk in, and there is space, and it does go pretty high up. So that's the bedroom. Let's walk back out. Just want you to see it. So the kitchen is over there, and there's the door, and then there's the island. There's that kind of middle section with that art ledge, and then over here is the living area. Lots of space, balcony, and then your bedroom is over there. So great floor plan. Feels really good. Feels really spacious. Lots of space. And by the way, I'm not hearing any noise. This is more of a residential area, so it's a great area. And you can quickly walk to Uptown, the West Village, but man, just an incredible neighborhood. Okay, let's go check out some amenities.